Hello everyone, I'm Adarsh Vedas and today here I'm going to show the tutorial of to make an action in Google. So, an action on Google is a developer platform that lets you create software to extend the functionality of Google Assistant. Google's virtual personal assistant across more than 500 million devices, including smartphones, speakers, phones, and more. Users engage Google Assistant in conversation to get things done like buying groceries or booking a ride, etc. So, as a developer, you can see actions on Google to easily create and manage delightful and effective conversational experience between users and your own third-party fulfillment services. So as you can see that when you click on Google Assistant and say something like, "Hey Google, call my friend" or play music, it would pop up and just play or just do whatever you say. So here we are going to show how to make actions on Google of your own. So let's move. So just take your browser and type actions on Google and click on the first link that's shown, that is action on Google. And here, now just go to actions. There will be different types of uh, symbols here. Just go to console action, sorry, actions console. Just click here. And you can see welcome to actions on Google. Now here, just click on this add or import project. So here you have to accept the terms, yes, and just agree and continue. Okay, so now the new project will be creating. So you have to first create a project and then create action on this project. So just enter name or choose a name. For simply, I'm just choosing. I'm just choosing Go Action. Okay. Now just click on the Create Project. Okay, you have to set the language also, and you have to set the country. So here I'm going to select India because I'm from India. So okay, India. Now just click on the Create Project button. So your project is being creating and it will take a couple of minutes. Okay, so here you can see that welcome to your project Go Action, and there will be many areas like games, fun, food and things, health, etc. So here today I'm going to use games and fun. So just click on the games and fun button, sorry, option. And here you can see different types of templates that you can use like trivia, personality quiz, flashcards, conversational. So here I'm going to use flashcard. So now you have to make actions by using this flashcard. So first just go to overview and click there. Okay, so here you can see that you have to do four things to make your action. That is quick setup, build action, get ready for deployment. So just click here, decide how your action is invoked. So your action is invoked like you can see that in Google Assistant, if you say call my friend, hey Google, call my friend, then it will call your friend. So like that, you have to invoke your action. So for that, you have to give a name to your action. So let's give a name like the birdie bird quiz. So here, since my question answer is based on national bird, so I'm just giving the uh, action of my name of my action as the birdie bird quiz. Okay, so you can click the button there to pronounce your action. And now you have to give a Google Assistant voice. For that, you have four choices: female one, female two, male one, and male two. So here, I'm just going to give female one as my Google Assistant voice. So now just click on the save button to save these changes. So now you have created successfully the invocation. So let's move to overview and see that the quick setup is finished or not. So here you can see that you have finished the quick setups. Well done. So now, as you can see that you have finished the quick setup. Now you have to build your action. So just click there and click the add action button. Okay, here you have to select three personalities, that is Mr. Montgomery, Regal Queen, and Beep the Boat. So here I'm going to use the first one, that is Montgomery. Now select the next. Okay, now you have to fill the sheet, that is you have to give the questions and answers. So you have to upload the sheet here. So just click there and you can see that make a copy of pre-filled Google Sheet for editing. So just click there. So it will open a new web page. Just click on make a copy. So here you can see that there will be an Excel sheet for showing an example. So here they have given questions, answers, hints, and follow-ups. You can see questions, what is the baby animal, etc., and the corresponding answers and hint. And there is an optional section known as follow-up, as you can see here. Most of the rows are not filled yet, so it's an optional one. If you want to give any idea about your question or answer, then you can give. So we just delete this because we have to enter our own questions. So I'm just going to delete it for. So so we have to delete it to enter our own questions. So I have already made a copy already about my questions and answers. So here you can see that I have given the question as what is the national bird of Argentina, and corresponding answer, that is the national bird. And I have given 59 around 59 questions here, and I have also given hint as the scientific name of that bird, and I have given some of the follow-ups only for some questions. So like this, you can give as many as you want. Now just go to the configuration here. So by clicking here, you have to fill these details. That is, you have to give the title. So here I'm going to give the title as my actions name, that is the Birdie Bird Quiz. Birdie Bird Quiz. So I have given 59 questions, and the question title is the country. So I'm just giving the country. Okay, and the answer title is the national bird. So I have given that. So now you have completed this. Now just click on the share button there and just copy the link. Okay, now move back to the actions and just click on the next button. Since I have already given there, they are just asking me to update the test. You can give the URL there and just click the next button. So now it will check for the validation of the sheet that you have filled, that it is validated or not. Don't mind this error, you just try once more, it will come. So it's been checking. So you can see that my data is updated successfully. Now just test your action. We have to test our action whether it's working or not to do the next steps. So just click on that. Okay, here there will be a Google Assistant open here just to test your version. So just give talk to the Birdie Bird quiz and enter. So just click your
Sure,
invocation.
getting the test version of the Birdie Bird quiz.
So you can see that the first question is being asked, what is the name of national bird of Aruba? So I'm just picking some random answer. Okay.
Sorry, not it. Would you like a hint?
So just by clicking hint.
Okay, here's your hint. The scientific name is Athene cunicularia. Now what you got for me?
So here you can see that the scientific name is being given, and now I'm just typing don't know.
No problemo. The answer is burrowing owl. Next question.
So you can see that our app is working successfully. So just click this cancel button, and you will get the score.
Okay, your score was 0 out of 59. I hope you practice again soon. See you later.
So now let's move to the overview section. You have tested your app successfully and it is working. So now let's move to the next process. That is, you can see here you have done the quick setup. You have built your actions. You can see that you have done a good job. So now the next one is to get ready for the deployment. So just click here, enter information required for letting your action. So just click there, and here you have to fill the six contents here, six sections, that is description, sample, invocations, like that. So just click the first one. You have to give a short description and also a full description. So here I'm just going to give a short description like talk to the birdie quiz. The birdie bird quiz contains the quiz for national boards of countries. That is my short description, and I have just given the full description also, that is my my action, that is talk to the birdie bird quiz, contains quiz for national birds, and you can say give a 2 or 3 sentences about your actions. So now let's move to the sample invocation. Here you have to give an invocation like as I have said earlier, that by giving by saying in Google that hey Google play music, it will play the music. So here like that I'm going to give the invocation for my action like talk to the birdie bird quiz. So here you can give up to 5 sample invocations. So here I'm just going to add one more, that is sorry talk. So just click on the add invocation, and you can give like this up to 5 invocations. So here just give like speak to the birdie bird quiz. So I'm just giving one more. Okay, now after the invocations, now the next thing to do is to give images. So let's move to that. So just click there. You can see that you have to upload 2 images, one a large banner and the one its logo. So you can give any image from your computer or from Google, anything. So I have just given here 2 images, my logo and a big image. So you can give any of the image you want. So just upload it. Now let's move to the contact details. Here you have to give the email address. So here I have just given my email ID, and the developer's name is optional one. If you want to give it, you can give it. It's an optional one. Now let's move to the privacy and content. So just click there. Here you have to upload the privacy. So just click you can see that need help creating private policy, etc. So just click learn more. Just click sample document. So it will show a new web page. Here the instructions are given above, as you can see that, but we only need from here. So just copy from here, because this is the required section. Okay, so I have just copied it. Okay, so after this you have to take your browser and just type Google Sites. You have to make a privacy policy for your actions, so just type Google Sites. Okay, just go on to the first link that is showing, and after that you can see here back to classic sites in the down section. Just click there. So here just click the create and new sites. So here it will open a page like this. So you have to give your page title, that is, and you have to enter your actions name, that is the Birdie Bird quiz. uh, Birdie Bird quiz. Okay, and here you have to write privacy policy for your action. Privacy policy for your action. That is the Birdie Bird quiz. Okay, now after that, you can see here the text box. So just click there and it will open a text box here. So now you have to just paste it, the content that you have copied before. So here you have to do is that just remove this app name and remove it to with your actions name. That is, here my action name is the Birdie Bird quiz. So just remove the app name to Birdie Bird quiz, and you have to do this for everywhere where the app name is given. So I'm just copying it and pasting it everywhere where there is app name given. So I'm giving it everywhere. So I guess I have done it. Now just remove this first developer to your name because this action is developed by you. So here I'm just giving my name as Alia. Okay. Now you have completed it. So just recheck once more and then click the publish button here. Sorry, just click the publish button. So here you will see the publish button in the right side. So just click there. Okay, so just click here. Okay. Now just by clicking this, your site will be published. So okay, so it's been publishing your site. Okay, so your site has been published successfully. So just go to the copy link here and just copy the link of this site. Copy link. Okay, now move back to the console. So here, just click the done button and just give your URL that you have copied here. Okay, now you have given that also. So just, okay, so you have done this and now just save it. Okay, so the directory information is being saved. If there is any error, it will pop up here like that. Valid privacy policy is required. Like that, it will pop up there. So you can see that I have successfully added the information. Now just move back to the overview here. And here you can see that all the three steps have been completely done, finished, and get all also ready. Now the last one is, okay, I have just forgot to do one thing. So just here you can see the additional information. You have to also fill that. So here I'm going to fill the education and reference here. And yeah, no, no. Okay, now just save it. Don't forget to do that because your category is very important for you. So just give it that. Okay, so now I'm just going to save it. Okay, so now you have just completely done everything. So just go back to the overview here. Sorry, overview. And you can see here you have done the 3 steps, and the last one is the release one. So you have to just release it. So just click there. Okay, here you have to submit your action to the Google, and if it will accept your action, then any user from their device can use here. So here I have just accepted a review and it was just rejected. So I'm just updating it and giving the review. So just click on for this submit for production button here, and you can see the status under. So just click there, submit for production. So after submitting this, okay, you have to just give this two tick because you have tested your action and gone through the launch checklist. So just submit for review. Okay, by giving this, you will get automatically a mail to your mail that your action is being under review, and you can check your status by tracking by going to this action console, and the Google will also send a mail whether they have accepted or rejected it. So either accepting or rejecting, you will get a mail. So here it is. You can see under review. So I hope you have so this warning is being this warning can be neglected. It's just a warning. So I hope you have understand what to do, and I hope you have enjoyed the video and can make a good action of your own. So thank you and have a nice day.